Okay, so good morning everyone and good morning ma'am. So this morning we're going to discuss about nature concepts and objectives of physical education. Okay, so nature in the broadest sense is the natural physical material world or universe. Nature can refer to the phenomena of the physical world and also to life in general. The study of nature is large if not the only part of science. Although humans are part of nature, human activity is often to understand as a separate category from other natural phenomena. Okay, so ang kalikasan ng mundo ay naburol mula sa likas na kalikasang Pransis at nagmula sa Latin word natura o mahalagang katangian ng likas na ugali. At sa mga sinaunang panahon na lateral na ipinanganak ang konsepto ng kalikasan bilang isang kabuuan, ang pisikal na unibero ay isa sa maraming pagpapalawak ng orihinal na bansang sinimulan nito na may ilang mga pangunahing aplikasyon na mundo ng mga pre-Socratic pilosopo na isip na ang mundo na ito ay may isang dinamikong sukat. Pagkatapos lalo na para sa Heraclitus at patuloy na nakakuha ng pera mula pa noong ang kalikasan ay madalas na tumutukoy sa geology na ang wildlife nature ay maaaring sumangguni sa kalahatang larangan ng mga nabubuhay na halaman at hayop at sa ilang mga kaso sa proseso na nauugnay sa walang buhay na mga bagay na paraan ng pagkakaroon ng mga particular na uri ng mga bagay. So, uri ng mga bagay and the change of their own accord such as the weather and geology of the earth. So it is often taken to mean the natural environment or wildness, wild animals, rocks, forests, and in general those things that have not been substantially altered by human. So the example is ang panindang bagay at mga pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga tao sa pangkalahatan ay hindi isinasaalang-alang na bahagi ng kalikasan. Kalikasan ay maliban kung kwalipikado bilang kalikasan. Okay, so objectives of physical education. So the main objectives of physical education are to develop motor abilities like strength, speed, endurance, coordination, flexibility, agility, and balance as they are important aspects for good performance in different games and sports. Okay, so the following are objectives of physical education. So number 1 is proper growth and development. So the proper growth and development is ito yung wastong paglaki at pagunlad. So proper functioning of various system of body, wastong paggana ng iba't ibang mga sistema ng katawan. And next is the development of strength and endurance, pagunlad ng lakas at pagtitiis. Okay, so thank you.